Who's got a question about her voice?
Hi, Steve.
Hi.
Hi. Well, I was at this very big meeting at work, and my boss was there, about 10 of my coworkers. I'm talking, and all of a sudden, my boss says, stop. So I look at her, and she says, matter of fact, stop talking for the rest of the day. Your voice is annoying. Now, is my voice annoying, or is my boss just mean?
No, I don't think your voice is annoying at all. I mean, is that how you normally talk?
Yeah, I mean, I work in marketing, so it was a pitch meeting, and when I get excited, you know, I'm Italian, I talk with my hands, I start talking fast, and she...
Okay, well, give me your fast, excited voice.
Well, like, I was so excited when I was coming here, I was excited, I called my friends.
No, there's nothing wrong with your voice.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your boss is a butthole. Your voice is fine. Are you married?
Yes.
Somebody's crazy about your voice. Is your boss married?
No.
Ta-da. Ta-da.
Thank you so much.
I knew it.